What is meant by map vocabulary? Map vocabulary is the set of words and collocations that are needed to describe a map, a visual representation. Introduction. Illustrates. The map is illustrated with colors. Describes. This map clearly describes that the cyclone is moving towards the north. Demonstrates. The drought-prone areas are demonstrated in the map by conducting a soil test. Represents. Those shades of gray in the map represent the drought-prone areas. Reflects. The map reflects that the Indian borders are shrinking. Shows. The map clearly shows that there would be rainfall in southern areas. According to. The building is constructed according to the map. Provides detail of. The map provides details of deviations in the building. Gives information about. The map gives information about the irrigation channels used in the field. System of coordinates. Axis. The x-axis represents the countries. Trend. The trends observed from the map are not positive. Coordinate. A map flashed on screen, indicating a location with the proper coordinates beside it. Vertical axis Y. The vertical axis Y shows the time taken. Horizontal axis X. The horizontal axis X represents the participants. Table format. Row. The row runs horizontally in the Excel sheet. Column. The column runs vertically in the Excel sheet. Cell. A cell is a rectangular box that occurs at the intersection of a vertical column and a horizontal row in a worksheet. Data. Data is the entry made on a cell in the workbook. Movement. Go up. I go up to the rooftop when I want to see the blue sky. Increase. Howard had to gradually increase the speed of his bike. Peak. Sales reached its peak during the winter. Jump. You have to jump over the wall to reach there. Rise. The water is starting to rise slightly in the flooded basement. Come down. I'll come down in a few minutes. Decrease. There was a decrease in rainfall this year. Fall. There was a fall in the gold rates after the pandemic. Fluctuate. The opinions of present-day economists appear to fluctuate between these two extremes. Description. Over the time period. The land turned fertile over a time period. Estimated. It was estimated that the city would develop in 10 years of time. Gradually. The rainfall decreased gradually and stopped in the month of November. Rapidly. The neem trees grew rapidly. Further. You have to explain further. Make up. Lizzie had to make up for the loss. Per week, a month. The graph shows the rainfall per week. Account for. Iraqi oil exports account for about 1% of world supply. Projected. The meteorological department projected rainfall of about 23%. Substantially. The temperature in Rajasthan is substantially higher than that of eastern India. Map location. Situated. The house is situated near the lake. Vicinity. In the vicinity are several cheap hotels. Northeast. Ladakh is situated in the northeast of India. Southeast. In Feng Shui, the kitchen has to be in the southeast corner. Northwest. Punjab is situated in the northwest of India. Southwest. She renovated the southwest portion of the house. North. E.g., the cyclone is moving towards the north. South. He hails from the deep south. East. The sun rises in the east. West. The sun sets in the west. Conclusion. Was reported. The crime was reported last month. On the other hand. It seems like a great building. On the other hand, you are displacing a lot of animals by building it. Was noted. It was noted that it rains a lot in Cherrapunji. Overall. Overall, it's not a good time to invest in gold. It can be concluded that. It can be concluded that he is dead. To summarize. He was asked to summarize all the points. In total. Last night she risked her life climbing down the stairs in total darkness. Writing task 1 asks you to use different vocabularies for the data given for the map. You should be able to choose the main features and explain their trend, compare and contrast the data, check if 2 maps are given in order, etc. What are the different types of maps? Political maps, topographic maps, time zone maps, physical maps, road maps, geologic maps, and zip code maps are all examples of reference maps. Thematic maps show the variation of a topic, the theme, across a geographic area. How to describe maps. You need to use map vocabulary. One example would be B, which is situated northeast of A, has a population of 40,000. Explanation. Situated is a word to denote location. Northeast denotes direction. Is there a structure to be followed while describing maps? Yes. Every task 1 essay has to follow the same structure, which is introduction, overview, detailed explanation.